Hello, my dear student. I am here, your science teacher Varsha Umate ma'am from Ramabai Deshmukh Public School, Varda, and today I am going to learn chapter 9 of Science, Force and Energy. In this video, we will learn about force, effect of force, and the types of force. So, let's begin. In our daily life, we see and perform many actions that involve push or a pull. For example, in football, the ball is being pushed when the player kick it. Similarly, in a tug of war, people are pulling at the rope towards themselves. This, a push or pull acting on an object, is called force. A man pushing a cart. There are many examples. A man pushing a cart, a child pulling a toy wagon, and a girl opening a door are other examples in which force is being applied on an object. Then next is effect of force. We cannot see force, but we can see its effect. Force can have an object. Force can make a stationary object move or make a moving object move faster. For example, when a person kicks a ball, the ball start moving. Force can make an object slow down or stop a moving object. If the force is applied in the direction opposite to that in which the object is moving, when a goalkeeper catches the ball stop moving. For example, when cricketer hits its ball with his bat, the direction of ball changes. And lastly, force can change the shape of an object. For example, when we press the rubber ball, the shape of ball changes. Thus, force can move a stationary object, stop moving an object, speed up or slow down moving object, and change the direction and shape of an object. Now, we will study about different types of forces. First one is gravitational force or gravity. The force that attracts object to the center of the earth is called the gravitational force or gravity. If you throw a ball up, it comes down after some time because of gravity. It is the earth gravity that keeps us and all other objects on the ground. The next one is the magnetic force. The name suggests the force with which a magnet attracts metals such as iron and nickel and other magnets. These forces are called magnetic force or magnetism. Magnets may also repel each other with the help of magnetic force. मैग्नेट आयरन को अट्रैक्ट करता है क्योंकि उसमें मैग्नेटिक फोर्स होता है. यू कैन सी आयरन नेल्स अट्रैक्ट बाय द मैग्नेट. The next one is electrostatic force. Student, do you know when you run a comb through a dry hair, the comb gets charged and is able to attract tiny bits of paper when brought near it. This type of force, the force that a charged body exerts on another charged body or uncharged body is called electrostatic force. Material such as amber gets charged when rubbed with other material and attract lighter object. The next one is mechanical force. A mechanical force is the force that involves physical contact with another object and result in change in the state of an object. For example, when you open the door, your hand pushes the door opening it. Thus, mechanical force can bend, break or compress thing. मैकेनिकल फोर्स से हम कोई भी चीज़ को बेंड कर सकते, ब्रेक कर सकते हो और कोई भी चीज़ का शेप चेंज कर सकते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द बायंट फोर्स. Different objects when dropped in water will either sink or float on it. When an object is dropped in water, the water exerts an net upward force that pushes the object up. This upward force is called buoyant force. You might have observed in your daily life the When you try to push any object to an water, the water applies upward force on the object that pushes object to come out, and this upward force is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the object. This is called the Archimedes principle. Now next is the frictional force or friction. Friction force is the force that tries to stop the movement of an object across the surface. It is the force generated by two surfaces that contact and slide against each other. It is always in the different direction or opposite to the direction of movement of an object. It can be slow down the movement of an object or stop it from moving object together. Now let us start some advantage and disadvantage of friction. Advantages of friction. Friction between our feet and the ground make it possible for us to walk. We find it hard to walk on ice or on a smooth surface or polished floor because movement across this surface produces less friction. That's why we often sleep on icy ground or on wet floor. The friction between the tires of vehicles and the road makes them roll forward. Thus, friction makes the movement of vehicle possible. Friction between the chalk and the blackboard makes it possible for the teachers to write on the blackboard. It is also help us to write on paper and erase pencil marks on paper using an eraser. फ्रिक्शन की वजह से हम रोड पे चल पाते हैं। अगर टायर में फ्रिक्शन कम हो गया तो वो टायर स्लिप हो जाता है क्योंकि उसका फ्रिक्शन जो है वो लेस रहता है। जब हम ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखते हैं वो ब्लैक बोर्ड अगर ऑयली है तो हमारा जो चॉक है वो उसमें से फिसल जाता है और स्लिप हो जाता है क्योंकि उसमें लेस फ्रिक्शन होता है। इसलिए फ्रिक्शन हम स्मूथ मूवमेंट के लिए ज़रूरी होता है। Now, next one is the disadvantages of the frictional force. Friction makes it hard to slide heavy object such as heavy piece of furniture or heavy box across the floor. Friction generates heat. You can feel it by rubbing your palms together for some time. Heat produced due to friction causes damage to machine parts such as कार ब्रेक्स। कंटिन्यूसली अगर फ्रिक्शन होता है तो वहाँ पे फ्रिक्शन की वजह से हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है और वो हीट की वजह से मशीन पार्ट जो है वो डैमेज हो सकते हैं। फ्रिक्शन कॉजेज डैमेज टू टायर ऑफ व्हीकल, द सोल्स ऑफ आवर शू एंड मशीन पार्ट्स, मेकिंग दीज ऑब्जेक्ट वियर अवे विथ टाइम। दिस इज द रीजन वाई मशीन पार्ट्स नीड्स टू बी ऑयल रेगुलरली एज oil is slippery and reduce the friction between the different part of the machine. हमारे जो गाड़ी के टायर्स होते हैं उसका रोड के साथ फ्रिक्शन होता है और उसकी वजह से वो कुछ दिनों के बाद घिस जाते हैं और हमारे शू भी वैसे कुछ दिनों के बाद वो फ्रिक्शन की वजह से घिस जाते हैं और वो कोई काम के नहीं रहते हैं। इसलिए फ्रिक्शन कम करने के लिए जो हमारे मशीन पार्ट्स होते हैं उसको हम रेगुलरली ऑयल करते हैं और ऑयल कैसे होता है, स्लिपरी होता है और वो स्लिपरी ऑयल फ्रिक्शन को रिड्यूस करता है और वो मशीन स्मूथली वर्क करती है। डियर स्टूडेंट, दैट इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडेज। आई होप ऑल द कंसेप्ट आर clear to you. Do watch the video again for better understanding of the concept. Stay home, stay safe and stay connected. Thank you.